In this video, I will show you how to create partition in Windows 10 and 11. Creating partition in Windows 10 or 11 is a straightforward process. So to do that, go ahead and open Disk Management. So to open Disk Management, go ahead and press Windows plus X on your keyboard. And then in here, go ahead and select Disk Management from the menu. In the Disk Management window, go ahead and locate the drive that you want to partition. Right-click on it and choose Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space that you want to allocate for the new partition and click Shrink. Now, right-click on the unallocated space that appears after shrinking the volume and select New Simple Volume and follow the wizard. Assign a drive letter. During the wizard, assign a drive letter to the new partition. Now, format the partition. Choose the file system, name the partition, and complete the wizard. And that's basically how you can create partition in Windows 10 and 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.